Good evening, and welcome on Tope Night Show. Welcome to the night show. My name is Nedu and Oscar of me, Katim, and Easy Beats. Don't sit down for inside studio today. Our studio full where we get one woman. One woman where they always disturb everybody on top of Instagram.
No, Nedu, talk true. No, you get one woman we be Nkechi friend. She and Nkechi na
I don't know what you're talking about.
She and Nkechi.
You get one woman.
They live on the same street, do the same things, go to the same church, eat in the same plate, everything. They are 5 and 6, eye and nose.
In fact, this woman, the way she they do her own things, my brother not get part 2. We go open our phone lines immediately. We'll go break, go come back. When we come back, in fact, before we come back, safe, make a show now so that we're going to begin the call. Join us as we welcome the one and only Mama Tope!
Are you happy to be here?
You know, say they do. If you shave in baby, you don't be like girls. True. You don't put red lipstick.
You know, as I come, Mama Tope, welcome. I never say you go shout, praise the Lord!
It's not easy. It's not easy. My pastor is owing me money.
Oh, you can't shout praise the Lord.
He's owing me money. I paid tithe last week. They did not give me change.
Hey.
Jesus is Lord, my brother.
Hallelujah.
Jesus is Lord.
Anyway, we'll go come back. We'll go back. Chicken break. We're going to come back. We'll begin taking a phone call. So when we say want to talk to Mama Tope, I'll go talk to her small before I can come up for inside studio. You go to come back again, but you go come up for studio so that we'll go talk to our own people, Judith, how to.
No, we are coming back.
Will they come? Don't clap. But now welcome back on Sunday Night Show. Our phone numbers on there on top of our TV. Make una begin to call us. And also make una not forget say we get the one and only Mama Tope.
Praise the Lord.
Where they disturb Instagram to up and down. Most of you know it as Oluwa Kaponeski. But that is Oluwa Kaponeski. This is a different human being.
I don't bring that one. No.
You not bring that.
Like Mama Tope.
That one not come.
Mama Tope.
One day we go bring Josh Too Funny. Bring all of them. We had no correct.
Yes, we go bring Josh Too Funny.
Yes.
Bring Mama Tope.
Yes.
Bring which one? Fox himself they do.
Philo.
That's
my sister. Hey, Philo, that's my sister. We have to bring Nkechi too. We have to bring Nkechi. I like Nkechi.
But wait. Which kind market una they sell for? Where una dey for Podebo? You and Philo. Which kind market una they sell? Because as a person supposed to get ready, they say buka, when they say amala.
We they sell business. Clothes. We sell clothes. We sell shoes. You know, see the kind of shoe they wear. You know, see the kind of shoe they we they sell. We bring the business from Nigeria. We take it to America. We sell everything.
They come. Now this kind of business. Easy bit the business.
This one, don't worry. You are DJ.
You bring it.
Next time I'm coming. I will buy laptop. You know generator? Yeah. I will buy generator for you. Don't worry. Even robots, we go help you just they change the music.
In case you want go peace.
In case you want go peace, I will bring her for you.
From Lekki, good evening. Hello.
Hello, good evening.
Good evening, Tomato. How is you?
I'm fine.
What's your name?
I'm Maureen.
Maureen?
Yes.
You want to talk to Mama Tope?
No, I have to greet Aunt Kazim. I want to tell her I didn't see her yesterday.
No, we separate yesterday. You don't know what happened yesterday?
You don't know 145.
I don't know.
145, my sister.
Maureen.
145.
Yeah.
145.
145.
Do you want Mama Tope to help your ministry? What do you need? Say it. Mama Tope is going back to America. She's coming back very soon. Yeah. What do you need from America?
I don't need anything.
You don't need any. Are you
Search yourself.
Search your body. Search your body. You don't need anything.
That means for need. Right deep down within
I
you.
need fuel.
Why is it deep down within you? Wait.
No, deep down inside within you.
What do you need?
Remove your eye
I
from
need
that thing.
fuel.
You need
Fuel.
fuel.
You need fuel.
Yeah.
No worry, we go bring them.
It go bring you the gold
We
fuel.
go bring them.
American fuel.
Gas, so wait, we
But
go
tell
bring
me
them.
this outfit is not looking good in canvas. You could have worked skills now.
Is it your canvas? Is it your
I
canvas?
don't know.
It's not my canvas, but
Is it your canvas?
They don't know.
That is Mama Tobi swagger.
I don't know.
This shoe. This
Who
shoe.
made it? How does it
This
concern
shoe.
you?
People don't know the history of this shoe. Let me
What
tell you.
is this?
This is the shoe Kim Kardashian wear for our wedding
this
day.
cat no at all.
This is the shoe Kim Kardashian wear on our wedding day.
Wow.
But people will know it's inside stuff. It's we that we were dead that we know.
Money would hear you.
Okay.
Easy bit.
Yeah?
You dey call yourself most wanted. Is it for evil or be what?
Well, find me first, you go know.
Just like that. Just like that.
Just find me, you will be sister, not find them. 9 months later, you will realize your consequences. Good night.
Uncle, is your wife not watching this show?
You have to be calm down now. But
Your wife is not watching this show.
No, in never mind. You have to be in the look for babe.
We don't
Yeah,
auction and tire.
In the look for babe.
We don't auction and tire.
You get.
I feel happy fine Oyibo.
When you go to America, when you go to America,
Do you want Oyibo?
let me say it could be me generator.
Do you?
Hello, Sandra. Good evening.
kerosene jet.
Good evening. How you there? Talk to us. We dey hear you.
I don't know something to
The topic, the topic now say, as fuel don't be 145 naira now. Now, Sepp Blatter just say no, they do again. From Sepp Blatter now, Messi come say that goal where he score. Now he's supposed to be highest goal scorer.
Then Michel Platini can't carry him. Say, look, I want to show you something.
Yeah.
Make him follow him.
Then UEFA now for France. If you go back corner, Mama Tobi dey say something there. Mama Tobi because okay, Auntie Philo, he not come there, okay, all those things. Now, come, the roasted one,
Plus
and the
the
cooked
pear,
one,
yes.
the pear, the thing they enter well. Then popcorn with granite. Oh my God! And then sometimes laptop, it dey work well if you check am.
Then sometimes here is off day. Sometimes it's off day. No work, nothing where you
It not go.
make
Then
am work.
charcoal, if you mix am, my
Yes.
brother, it works wonderful.
And then now, kerosene jet don't come day now.
Now what will they discuss with that?
Yes. Okay. They ask you what do you think about them.
What do you think about them?
Hey. Honestly, what is talking?
Bye, good night, because you dey follow us, ask us what you dey talk about. Now, abeg, you don't see Yatobi. For Mama Tobi to leave, enter night bus from America, come here. Is it easy?
Don't know.
To wear white canvas. Do you know who wear this white canvas? Kim Kardashian.
They don't know.
No, they don't know who Kim. They don't know.
You know who Kim be?
Night boss
Kim
from
Kardashian
London.
are the person where they follow that man, where they so clothes.
Yatobi, we say we go ask you. Since you dey America, you dey see how you dey do things, you dey follow Kim Kardashian. We hear story say Kim Kardashian say the thing wey dey there be say na Nigeria she be. Say na her real name na Hakim. Say that Kardashian she just form am.
She just
She just form am. Say name na her name actually na Chidolue. Chidolue Chioma Hakim. Then she can't change to mother. Come Oha. Come put Kim Kardashian.
So
Would you get FBI agent for that place?
No, not true.
Because this thing where you know,
not
only like 3
everybody.
people know.
Only 3 people.
Only 3 people. This thing where you know.
Yes, sir.
This thing. If you talk this thing where you go America airport where you
If
talk
you arrest your thing.
If you arrest me,
the jail where you go sleep. Gary, you know, Gary for 5 days. No go even see Gary.
Mama told
Not
me.
all your sugar.
So what thing they go to give for? Is that jail?
no, who want go jail? They go ask what they give for jail. We have to make her ask another one. Then this one, I hear about. I never know whether not true. I hear say Jay-Z say in real name. Now Chuku Kanye Jeku Ozobolo.
Now that Jeku come J. He cut the coup.
Come Ozobolo. Then we say, hey, you have to be God bless you.
My brother.
If not, we say you come, we don't know this thing.
Now why we did there be that? Sometimes I go won't come Nigeria, but the kind of fresh news where they hear for that place, I go say I must stay.
Okay, you go stay back.
I must stay now.
To make her ask you. Now see your mama born you
Now so.
with a rapper like this, and you only this one rapper and this gele.
No,
you know
and
the
you don't even mention the chain.
See, this is the reason you don't change it. You see in America when we see all those big men.
No, the chain not good. Not be good. Na costume. Na costume.
This chain.
From Aja, good evening.
This.
Good evening.
How is you?
Fine, Aja, they call.
Hey! Aja, we get Mama Tobi. Now
your husband dey obodo Igbo with Admin and Nigeria.
Which husband? Which one of them?
She be Mama Tope, no be man give am belle wey him born.
But I get one for Spain. I get one for London. One day US now.
So which
I
one?
come meet the one wey dey Nigeria. Now I come.
Yes.
So which one you dey talk?
Your attire fine, sha. Who this your attire? Who help you tie am?
And I me dey tie myself now.
Lose am tire for that baby.
She still the joke.
Lose attire.
She still the joke. Leave am now. She still the joke.
He go tired now. Just wait. He go tired now.
See.
Okay. I bet if you don't believe
You know they take.
buy me koi koi.
This hair tie.
It's a make you buy and
This hair tie.
Me buy me koi koi and this kind hair tie and
Now Beyonce. You don't watch that new Beyonce video?
Yes, I don't watch am.
Lemons.
Who you think say tie the gele?
Oh, now you?
I know make people know. No loud. Who you think say tie the gele when they tie for jail?
Hey, yeah.
All the gele wey Ghana they wear. Who you think say tie? You think say now only go tie?
So wait, you feel
Now we dead there.
So if you carry this kind of ECB now, go introduce to Rihanna. Walk, walking in the
introduce
all just walk. We Ghana sing. We dey studio now. She dey find job. They don't give her job. Now she's
Okay.
We are the one there.
Hey man, it have to be because as you don't they come up for studio now, those who are follow you on top Instagrams to know where they will take follow you.
Type Mama Tope. When you type Mama Tope on Instagram, any other Mama Tope that you see, apart from me,
it's fake.
Now
It's not original.
Now Krika,
Now Krika, my brother.
Now bend down.
Help us. We want go America.
See, now 2 ways. Night
53
bus
of us
day.
like
Night.
Plane day.
Okay.
Me, I don't like that plane. It will shake.
Okay, and when they come back, now we discuss how we go America. When they come back.
If you know, just enjoy the video they want to just watch, make una sharply subscribe to our channel. Not darling.